Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool standalone candlestick telephone, and this is Juan's equipment from Texas, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool candlestick telephone. Juan has a note with this unit, and he's talking about people cannot hear him when he's talking to them. He's also mentioning the receiver capsule and whatever else needs to be done to this candlestick telephone to repair and convert this unit. What we want to do is go ahead and install an electronic amplified transmitter that we design and build here at the shop, and you will have plenty of transmit power. Now, this unit has the original diaphragm style metal receiver, and so what we want to do is go ahead and try to utilize that original metal diaphragm receiver if we can. Now, we will upgrade it if we need to, but we would like to try to use the original receiver. We also need to reconfigure the wiring. At some point, someone installed a line cord on this telephone, and we want to clean that up. It was not going into the proper location of the body of the base of the candlestick. It was kind of going into the candlestick telephone where the plate is on the bottom of the telephone, and it cut into the cord. So we want to take care of that issue. We also need to configure a circuit so that our receiver capsule always has a proper polarity on the unit. We want to keep proper polarity on the receiver capsule, just like a speaker. We need to go through the hook switch. We're going to clean the hook switch and make sure that the hook switch is working properly. We want to clean all of our connections, and we have a lot of reconfiguration of the wiring. So even though that this unit does not have a rotary dial, there is quite a bit of work that needs to be done to straighten this unit out. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool candlestick telephone, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting, repairing, and converting process. We'll take a short break, and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're finished up with a repair and conversion of this really cool Candlestick telephone, and we want to start our final checkout. Now, we were able to save the original metal diaphragm style receiver capsule. We also configured a circuit so that we could keep the proper polarity at the receiver capsule. We also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this pickup in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll release it, press it one more time, and release it. So if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. We also want to mention that we found a small chip out of the spit cup for this unit, and we went ahead and did the body work and repaired that chip. So we took care of that issue. Now what we want to do is go ahead and give you some dial tone. We're going to go ahead and use a tone dialer, and if you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the number read off. And it will end in a 1. Now we also want to transmit. I'm pretty far back away from this telephone, and if you watch this red light, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. And I'll go ahead and tap on it. So you will have plenty of transmit power with the electronic amplified transmitter. We'll go ahead and hang our receiver capsule up. Now that we know that our hook switch, our receiver, and transmitter is working, we can go ahead and push this button on the switch box. That'll give us a line out, totally take the analyzer out of the situation, and we'll use a tone dialer to call a time and temp number. Go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll go ahead and make that call.
The time and temperature is coming up after this. To hear the time and temperature, just stay on the line. Today is Saturday, May 7th. The current time, 1:25 p.m. and the temperature, 68 degrees.
Go ahead and hang our receiver capsule up. Now that we know that this really cool Candlestick telephone has been repaired and converted, we can return this unit back to Juan and he can enjoy this telephone. I'm sure it's going to look great wherever it's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.